Today's house is located on Mexico's Pacific coast, atop a hill covered with reforested tropical vegetation of papelillos and palm trees, the natural habitat of the Chachalaca. The entrance is through a portal that leads to the reflecting pool of a hand-carved marble fountain. Below, stairs act as an open-air passage, connecting terraces, bedrooms, and social areas. Straight and curved lines intertwine to unite the natural and the built. The geometric shapes of the structure are inspired by eroded stones, straight lines softened by time, suggesting the impact of a shock wave that ripples through the terrace, the palapa, and the perimeter pool. The house unfolds across a sequence of platforms. First, the study and TV room, descending to the firepit area and daybed under a pergola. Next, the guest bedroom reached through a tall, narrow corridor. And finally, the palapa and main terrace, all oriented toward the landscape. The gardens and reflecting water surrounding the social area make the boundary between inside and outside almost invisible. Guayabillo wood in the palapa and royal palm leaves in the roof reinforce the bond with local craftsmanship. All finishes were made by hand by Mexican artisans. The jungle, the sea, and the sky merge on the horizon, a setting that calls for architecture worthy of such a sanctuary. Three-quarters of the total site were left undeveloped, preserving native vegetation and encouraging biodiversity. The concrete structure supporting the pool and terrace platforms adapts to the steep topography, about 25 meters of elevation difference from the access road. The exterior walls, finished with cement and sand, take on a warm off-white tone. Inside, polished white cement surfaces form a unique patina. Exterior floors are hammered white cement, while the interiors feature gray micro-cement. The main bedroom connects visually to the pool and through a staircase to the bathroom and the cold plunge tub, creating continuity between living, resting, and floating within the landscape. The use of simple local materials, the care for existing vegetation, and the placement of the home on slightly elevated platforms are strategies aimed at reducing environmental impact. The house is born around nature, not the other way around. Casa Chachalaca offers a way of living that is both retreat and vastness. Architecture that doesn't dominate but converses, that doesn't impose but quietly blends into the jungle. Stone, glass, concrete, light, and shadow combine to create an environment that breathes. Here, to inhabit means to be present, to feel the breeze, listen to the jungle, and glimpse the sea.